Hey friends, are you ready for your next problem of the day? I know you've been using your smart brain, so here's your next problem. Get a pencil and paper ready, or a dry erase board and a marker, something to write with so you can figure it out too. Here we go. Let's review what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a picture. I'm looking for a number bond if you can draw one, a matching equation, and circle your answer or write a sentence to match your answer. All right, here we go. Waylon went to the science lab to conduct some experiments. He did 23 experiments. 7 of them were not correct. How many experiments were correct? Are you guys ready? Pause the video, work out the problem, and then unpause it to see if you got the right answer. Good luck! Okay, you guys, did you guys figure out the answer? I'm ready for you. Let's read it one more time and then I'll show you the answer. Waylon went to the science lab to conduct some experiments. He did 23 experiments. 7 of them were not correct. How many experiments were correct? All right, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw my good picture, and I'm going to label a W first for Waylon. And let's make him blue today. All right. W for Waylon. And it said that he conducted 23 experiments. So friends, what am I going to do first? Oh yeah, that's right. I'm going to draw a picture. So I'm going to use my good 5 groups and make groups of 10 to draw 23. So I'm going to do one group of 10 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, friends, is that our whole number or is that one of our parts? Yeah, if you said that's our whole number, then you're right. 23 is how many experiments he did. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in my number bond, and maybe that will help me figure out my answer. So 23 is my whole amount, and I do know that the problem said that 7 of them were not right. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to label my number bond with 7. And I'm going to put an N for not correct. And then what would my number bond label be on this side? Yeah, friends, it would be correct. So we're looking for, this is what we're looking for. This is our missing number. We're missing one of our parts. We know that if we use a number bond, we can say 23 take away 7, and that will give us our missing number. So I can also write my equation. 23 minus 7 equals something. And I'm going to put an X there because we don't know what that something is yet. All right, so let's go back to our picture. Let's find the answer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to X out 7 of these because we know that 7 of them were not correct. So I'm going to get rid of these right here, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to draw a quick circle around that, and I'm going to put an N for not correct. That means all of these are the experiments that he did correctly. So let's count those up. We know this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Did you guys get that answer? Was 16 your answer? I hope it was, friend. And here is my answer. I'm going to write it right here, and I'm going to put a big circle around it, or I could write a sentence. Let me see if I can get my pen to work. All right, I'm going to write my sentence. I'm going to write it up here since I don't have a whole lot of room. Well, actually, we're going to write it down here. Waylon did, I'm working with a mouse, so y'all just be patient with me, did 16 experiments correctly. All right, you can either write a good sentence or you can just write your answer and circle it like I did up here. And I'm going to run out of room, but I'm going to try to squeeze it in. Oops, let me move me out of the way. All right, friends, so I've got my good picture, and it's a working picture. It's fine if you mark on it. I've got my equation, and I've got my number bond. Is there another equation I could have used to solve this problem? Sure there is, because remember, equations are related. So we could have said 7 plus something, we don't know, equals 23. And if you filled in that x with a 16, then 7 plus 16 is 23, then you were right, friends. I hope you did a good job and got your answer right. I'll see you next time.